Have you heard of the mysterious lights of Hessdalen? An inexplicable phenomenon that appears in the sky over Norway, challenging scientists, ufologists, and skeptics for decades. They are lights that appear out of nowhere, change color, dance on the horizon, and disappear without a trace. What is behind this mystery? A scientific explanation or something beyond our understanding? If you've ever found yourself questioning the unknown or are curious about phenomena that science still can't explain, this video is for you. Let's explore the most intriguing theories together and try to uncover what's behind these lights. Are we about to discover something that could change our view of the world? Stay until the end to enter this journey of mystery and discovery.
The Hessdalen lights were first widely reported in the early 1980s, although locals claim to have witnessed them long before. This remote valley in central Norway became the focal point of attention when, between 1981 and 1984, the lights were seen frequently, sometimes as often as 20 times in a single week. These sightings varied from glowing orbs hovering in the sky to lights darting back and forth in erratic patterns. Witnesses described them as white, yellow, or red lights that could last anywhere from a few seconds to over an hour, leaving them both intrigued and uneasy. As the reports gained media attention, scientists from around the world took notice. A group of researchers, driven by curiosity and skepticism, set up camp in the valley, hoping to document the lights and find answers. The Hessdalen project was born in 1983, and for months, scientists observed and recorded these phenomena. Despite their efforts, the cause of the lights remained elusive. What was particularly puzzling was the apparent randomness of the occurrences. Sometimes they would appear several times in one night, while other times they wouldn't be seen for weeks. These early studies produced some interesting, though inconclusive, findings. The lights seemed to emit electromagnetic radiation and showed no clear source, whether terrestrial or extraterrestrial. Instruments detected unusual readings, but nothing that could definitively explain their origin. Even after several years of observation, the mystery persisted. As the sightings continued through the decades, Hessdalen became a hotspot for UFO enthusiasts and paranormal researchers. The lights were frequently linked to theories of alien visitations, sparking debates between believers and skeptics. Some argued that the lights were merely a natural atmospheric phenomenon, while others pointed to the possibility of advanced technology from beyond our planet. Today, the lights of Hessdalen still appear, albeit less frequently than in the 1980s. Despite advancements in technology and science, we are no closer to a definitive explanation. The valley remains a place where the unknown continues to fascinate, drawing in those who seek answers to questions that science has yet to solve. As researchers began to study the Hessdalen lights in more detail, various scientific theories were proposed to explain the phenomenon. One of the leading explanations involves the ionization of gases in the valley. Some scientists believe that the unique geology of the area could be a key factor. The Hessdalen Valley is rich in minerals such as zinc, iron, and copper, which, when combined with the sulfur in the surrounding ground, could create a natural battery effect. This Earth battery theory suggests that the interaction between underground elements could release energy in the form of light, much like the way lightning occurs. Adding to this, the presence of rivers and groundwater in the region may help in conducting electricity, creating ideal conditions for such ionization events. When this energy reaches the surface, it may interact with the atmosphere, producing the lights that have been observed. These lights could be the result of a discharge of energy that creates glowing plasma, which might explain why they appear to move in erratic and unpredictable ways. However, while the Earth battery theory sounds plausible, it still doesn't account for all aspects of the phenomenon. For example, scientists have not been able to consistently replicate these conditions in controlled environments. The lights also seem to behave differently from most known natural phenomena, exhibiting characteristics that are hard to classify within the framework of atmospheric or geological processes. Their movement and the duration of the lights are particularly difficult to explain, as they don't always conform to the typical patterns expected of electrical discharges or plasma events. Another prominent theory involves piezoelectricity. This is the electric charge that accumulates in certain solid materials, such as crystals, in response to mechanical stress. Given the geological richness of Hessdalen, some researchers suggest that tectonic stress in the area could be generating piezoelectric charges, which then manifest as luminous phenomena in the sky. The idea is that small movements in the Earth's crust might be creating these charges, which then interact with the atmosphere to produce the glowing lights. But, just like the ionization theory, piezoelectricity fails to answer some of the key questions. Why do the lights occur at irregular intervals? Why are they sometimes visible for hours and other times only for a few seconds? And why do they appear in different colors and shapes? These inconsistencies have led many to believe that there might be more than one cause behind the phenomenon, or that we're dealing with something not yet fully understood by modern science. In recent years, with advancements in technology, new tools have been used to observe the lights. Drones equipped with sophisticated sensors and cameras have been deployed to track the movements of the lights in real time. These observations have provided clearer footage of the lights, but still no definitive answers. Measurements taken by these devices suggest that the lights are not just reflections or illusions, they have mass and are emitting energy. However, scientists are still debating what exactly is being detected. One of the more recent scientific explorations involves electromagnetic radiation. The lights of Hessdalen have been found to emit electromagnetic waves, which are often detected during their appearance. Some researchers suggest that this could indicate a natural, but as yet undiscovered, atmospheric or geological process. Others speculate that the radiation could be coming from an artificial source, perhaps even something extraterrestrial in nature, though this remains highly controversial. What remains clear is that no single scientific explanation has been able to fully account for the Hessdalen lights. The mystery deepens as each new study brings both answers and more questions. Are we simply missing a key piece of the puzzle, or could this be an entirely new type of natural phenomenon, one that challenges our current understanding of physics and geology? For now, the scientific community remains intrigued but baffled, with many admitting that Hessdalen is one of the most enduring and perplexing mysteries in modern science. While scientific explanations have attempted to shed light on the phenomenon, some people believe the answer lies beyond what science can explain. The lights of Hessdalen have long been linked to theories of extraterrestrial activity, with UFO enthusiasts suggesting that the lights are evidence of alien spacecraft. In fact, Hessdalen has gained a reputation as a UFO hotspot, attracting paranormal researchers and conspiracy theorists from around the world. One of the reasons this theory has gained traction is the behavior of the lights. Unlike many other natural light phenomena, the Hessdalen lights seem to move with purpose, sometimes hovering for extended periods, changing direction rapidly, and even appearing to chase objects in the sky. These erratic movements have led some to believe that the lights are not a natural occurrence, but rather intelligently controlled. Could these be the thrusters or signals of advanced alien technology? This idea is certainly compelling for those who believe that extraterrestrial life has visited Earth. The link between Hessdalen and UFOs was further solidified by the numerous sightings of unidentified flying objects in the region. Locals and visitors alike have reported seeing not just lights, but structured objects in the sky, often described as disc-shaped or triangular. These objects are frequently seen in conjunction with the lights, which has led to speculation that the lights might be part of some larger, more complex phenomenon related to extraterrestrial visitors. Some of the most passionate UFO researchers claim that Hessdalen is a key site for alien activity, possibly due to the valley's isolation and its electromagnetic peculiarities. In 2007, a team of Italian scientists working on Project EMBLA recorded an event where a solid object seemed to appear within one of the light formations. This was a significant moment for UFO believers, who took it as evidence that the lights might be more than just natural occurrences. The object in question was captured on film and appeared to have mass and structure, something that couldn't easily be explained by any atmospheric or geological theory. Although skeptics argued that the footage was inconclusive, it added fuel to the fire of extraterrestrial speculation. Of course, not everyone is convinced by the UFO theory. Many scientists remain deeply skeptical of any explanation involving extraterrestrial life, pointing out that none of the sightings or recordings offer conclusive evidence of alien technology. They argue that it's more likely we are dealing with a natural phenomenon that is simply not yet fully understood. However, for those intrigued by the possibility of life beyond Earth, the lights of Hessdalen continue to be one of the most intriguing cases of potential extraterrestrial contact. Whether or not the lights are connected to UFOs, the allure of this theory has kept Hessdalen in the public consciousness. For many, the possibility that these lights are a sign of something far more mysterious than we can currently comprehend is what makes Hessdalen so fascinating. Could these lights be a glimpse into a reality beyond our own? One of the most compelling aspects of the Hessdalen lights is the sheer volume of eyewitness accounts, many of which are accompanied by visual evidence. Locals have been seeing the lights for decades, and as news of the phenomenon spread, more and more visitors flocked to the valley to witness the mysterious lights for themselves. These eyewitnesses provide vivid descriptions that range from awe-inspiring to unsettling, and many have managed to capture footage and photographs of the lights, further fueling interest in the phenomenon. For example, one local farmer, who has lived in the valley for his entire life, recalls the first time he saw the lights in the 1980s. He described seeing a glowing orb hovering just above the horizon, changing colors from white to red and then to yellow, before quickly disappearing into the night sky. It was like nothing I'd ever seen before, he said. It wasn't like a plane, a helicopter, or even lightning. It felt like it had a mind of its own. His testimony echoes that of many others who have seen the lights up close. Another eyewitness, a tourist visiting the valley specifically to catch a glimpse of the lights, recalls an experience where the lights seemed to follow her car as she drove through the valley at night. The bright orbs appeared suddenly in the sky, moving in sync with her vehicle before shooting off into the distance. It was both thrilling and terrifying, she recounts. For a moment, I thought I was being watched by something not of this world. Over the years, amateur videographers and professional photographers alike have managed to capture footage of the lights. Some of these recordings have been widely shared online, contributing to the global fascination with Hessdalen. The footage typically shows glowing orbs moving erratically across the sky, sometimes fading out and then reappearing in a different location. While the recordings are often blurry or shaky, they provide a tangible visual representation of what countless witnesses have described. The emotional impact of these encounters cannot be understated. For many, seeing the lights has been a life-changing experience, one that leaves them questioning what they know about the world and the universe. Whether these lights are natural, supernatural, or extraterrestrial, they have undoubtedly left a profound mark on those who have seen them. Despite decades of observation and study, the mystery of the Hessdalen lights remains unsolved. However, significant progress has been made in recent years, thanks in part to advancements in technology and the continued efforts of dedicated researchers. The Hessdalen Automatic Measurement Station, Hessdalen AMS, established in 1998, has been continuously monitoring the area, collecting data on the frequency, duration, and characteristics of the lights. This station is equipped with cameras, radar, and electromagnetic sensors, all designed to capture any activity in the sky. One of the most intriguing findings from recent research is the detection of electromagnetic radiation associated with the lights. Scientists have found that the lights often emit low-frequency electromagnetic waves, which suggests that they are not simply reflections or illusions. These measurements hint at a physical phenomenon with real energy, yet no clear source has been identified. This has led to further studies focusing on the electromagnetic properties of the area, though definitive answers remain elusive. Researchers have also begun using drones and high-resolution imaging equipment to capture the lights in greater detail. These efforts have provided more consistent footage, but still no conclusive explanation. Some believe that the key to solving the mystery lies in understanding the complex interplay between the valley's unique geology and atmospheric conditions. Others suggest that we may be looking at an entirely new type of natural phenomenon, one that science has yet to fully comprehend. Despite the ongoing efforts, the lights continue to defy explanation, keeping both scientists and the public fascinated. For now, Hessdalen remains one of the few places on Earth where the unknown still thrives, with each new discovery raising more questions than answers. The Hessdalen lights have not only captivated the scientific community but have also become a significant cultural phenomenon. Over the years, they have inspired numerous documentaries, articles, and even books, contributing to the lore surrounding this mysterious spectacle. For many, the allure of the lights transcends the scientific inquiries, tapping into a deeper fascination with the unknown. Tourism in the region has flourished as a result. Visitors from all over the globe come to Hessdalen, eager to witness the lights for themselves. Local businesses have adapted, offering guided tours, accommodation, and special events centered around the phenomenon. During peak seasons, the valley becomes a hub for enthusiasts of the paranormal, science, and folklore, creating a vibrant community of like-minded individuals. Many tourists leave the valley with more than just memories; they carry stories that blend science with the supernatural. For them, seeing the lights is not merely an observation but a transformative experience that challenges their understanding of reality. This cultural impact extends to local folklore, with the lights becoming part of the valley's identity and heritage. However, this influx of visitors also raises questions about the sustainability of the tourism. As interest grows, so does the responsibility to preserve the delicate ecosystem of the Hessdalen Valley. Balancing scientific research, tourism, and environmental conservation becomes crucial to ensuring that future generations can continue to explore and debate the mystery of the lights. In essence, the Hessdalen lights have woven themselves into the cultural fabric of the region, igniting curiosity and inspiring awe, while also posing challenges that demand careful consideration. As we conclude our exploration of the Hessdalen lights, we are left with more questions than answers. This enigmatic phenomenon continues to fascinate and perplex both scientists and enthusiasts alike. The lights serve as a reminder of how much we still have to learn about our world and the universe beyond. Whether they are the result of natural processes, a manifestation of advanced technology, or something beyond our current understanding, the Hessdalen lights invite us to ponder the possibilities. The ongoing investigations and debates surrounding these lights not only stimulate scientific inquiry but also ignite the imagination. For those aged 18 to 35, who are often driven by curiosity and a desire for knowledge, the mystery of Hessdalen offers a rich tapestry of scientific theories, folklore, and personal stories that encourage discussion and exploration. Engaging with the unknown can spark new ideas and perspectives, prompting us to think critically about our place in the cosmos. Ultimately, the Hessdalen lights exemplify the intersection of science, culture, and human experience. They remind us that, while we seek to explain the world through rational thought, there will always be elements of mystery that challenge our understanding. As we continue to investigate, we must remain open to the wonder that these unexplained phenomena inspire. Who knows what the future holds? The journey to uncover the truth behind the Hessdalen lights may lead us to greater discoveries, bridging the gap between the known and the unknown.